Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another fun-filled DIY to share with you guys. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by to check out the DIY that I'm going to share with you. Yes, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share with you all. Yes, and if you're one of my returning subscribers, you know I appreciate you. From the bottom of my heart, I do. Thank you for clicking on and seeing the DIY that I have today. So, without further ado, let's get into the items that we will be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here's the items that we're using for our first Glam Fall DIY, and everything will be listed down below for you guys to see what they are and where I got them from. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we're gonna start with these wooden shapes, and we got some white acrylic paint, and I'll be painting one coat over all the fall leaves. Well, I'll be using them for fall leaves. Okay, now our leaves are all dry. I'll be using some crushed glass and some Mod Podge and placing it onto our fall leaves. And I'll just be doing one coat of the crushed glass, and when it's dry I'll go back over with some more Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass. And now we have our bucket, which I'm going to bling out with these gems, which you can get from Dollarama over here in Canada, or anywhere else you can get them from Walmart. And we have our bucket here, and we have our leaves. They're all dry now with the crushed glass on them. So I'm just going to use some hot glue and apply them to our bucket. And like I always say, you can use any adhesive that you would like on your crafting project. Now our bucket is all blinked out. We're going to add our flowers. So I have this foam here that we're putting in there, and then we're just going to add our flowers, which I cut the stems of the flowers, and we're just going to place them in and fill up our bucket with these lovely flowers from the Dollar Tree. Alright, now it's time for Glam Fall DIY number 2. My favorite part of today's DIY are these pumpkins. Yes, I gave away all my fall pumpkins that I did last year, so I'm just going to make some more to add to my decor this year. So let's get into how I'll be glamming out these fall pumpkins. Okay, I have 3 pumpkins, and this one I'll be painting with black and white acrylic paint. The other 2 pumpkins, I painted them all white. Yes, so I'm just showing you how I'm doing this pattern with this pumpkin. 1 layer of white, 1 layer of black. Okay, now that our pumpkins are all dry, I painted them. They look very nice. You know, you can spray paint them if you want. I just use the acrylic paint. So now we're going to use the crushed glass with the Mod Podge, and we are going to bling out these fall pumpkins. I saw some of these pumpkins in what do you guys have over there? I think it's Home Home Goods, yeah. You guys have Home Goods, we have Home Sense in Canada. So I saw pumpkins like this, and I said, you know what, I can do that with the crushed glass. So that's what I am doing. Just putting the crushed glass all around the pumpkin, and I will do one layer and let it dry, and then just go back over and fill any spot that has foliage. Any little holes I see, fill them in with more crushed glass, and then of course go over with one more coat of Mod Podge to help seal in the crushed glass so none will fall off with every day moving it up and down. And now we have our black and white pumpkin, and you're going to see the method to my madness. Yes, I'm only going to be putting the crushed glass on the white parts of the pumpkin. I think the crushed glass shows through very nice over white paint, so that's why I did that, because I wanted to have crushed glass in between with the black stripes. Yeah, so again, I'll be putting it on with the coat when it's dry, fill in any space that I need to fill in, and then go over with one more coat to seal in the crushed glass. I just want a good time, good time. And now for the leaves of our pumpkins, I'll be putting crushed glass on that also. So again, with the Mod Podge and the crushed glass, and blinging out our leaves. Yes. When your family come around, now with our black and white pumpkin, the black has like a matte finish. I have some black glitter that I found in my stash, so I said I'm just gonna mix it up and add black glitter over the black part of our pumpkin. Yeah, I know you want them nice things. Know you wanna wear all of them nice rings. Yeah, no, I know you want designer. And now for our next pumpkin, I'll be placing the gems here onto the stem of the pumpkin. And like I said, you can get the gems at Walmart or from Dollarama. And we're just going to place them all around the stem and cover it up completely. Yeah, I ain't buying you think when you triple like this. And now we're going to put some gems on our leaves. I just want a good time, good time. Next, we're just gonna add some glitter with some Mod Podge onto the pumpkin. I love the glitter pumpkins, you guys. I had to make one. I absolutely love it with the silver glitter going down all the way to the bottom. But you know, it looks very nice to me. It looks absolutely beautiful. So I had to make another one. Like I said, I gave them all away, so I had to make another one for me. And here's our finished look, everyone. Don't you think they look lovely? I absolutely love how they turned out with the crushed glass. OMG, the camera is not doing it justice. They look absolutely beautiful in person. More beautiful than how the camera is showing it. I absolutely love them. Now I'm kind of glad that I gave away the ones I had from last year. Because I wouldn't have made these ones for me. They look absolutely lovely with the crushed glass on them. Like I told you, I saw some in Home Goods. When I watched you ladies do the shopping haul, I saw them in Home Goods. And I loved it. So, you know me, diva on a budget, made some for myself, yes. Got the pumpkins from the dollar store and bling them out, yes. They look absolutely beautiful. And of course, our flower decor. Yeah, I think this turned out very nice also. A lovely flower decor for the fall. I like how the crushed glass looks on the leaves. It looks very nice. And the lovely flowers from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has so much nice fall flowers out now. I'm not a traditional girl, so I don't like the deep colors. But these light flowers, I said, these look nice. These are kind of my taste. So I picked them up. But they have lots of lovely flowers for you to choose from when you go into the Dollar Tree. Yep. They have so much fall things out right now. So whether you like the pumpkins, which I hope you do, I think like I said, they look absolutely beautiful. A nice piece of fall decor for your home. I'm not decorating yet for the fall, but I'm getting ready. So I'm not showing you where I'm displaying them as yet, but I will. But we have the pumpkins, or we have the flower decor. They both look lovely. But like I was saying, I will come back. I think I'll do a fall tour this year, yeah. A fall decor of my home. And here we go with all 4 of the quick and easy fall decor I did so far. This is my first one that I'm sharing with you all. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of these pumpkins and this flower decor for fall 2019. Yes. And thank you so much for coming on and spending some time to see the DIY that I did for you guys today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. I need you.